What's up, y'all? Today I want to talk about one of the things I do pretty much every day that keeps me focused and productive. And that is having a cup or two of my daily coffee. And that's why today I'm teaming up with KitchenAid. I'm one of those people whose brain doesn't even start working until like 12 p.m. But sometimes work requires my attention much earlier than that. Now I've been using the KitchenAid KF4 fully automatic espresso machine with iced coffee. And I'm telling y'all, this is the hottest kitchen gadget at the moment, and the way it makes my life so much easier by how simple it is to use, we gotta talk about it. First off, it is One-Touch Brewing, meaning when you press the specific drink you want, from that point on, it does all of the work for you. Now, let's say before you make your coffee, it has run out of coffee beans, or you need to refill the water tray, or the machine needs to be clean. It'll let you know. Replacing the beans are super easy. Just lift up the middle compartment and pour in your beans. Same with refilling the water. Literally, you lift up that compartment and add however much water needs to be added, and there you go. And listen, when it comes to the cleaning, simple. This fully automatic coffee machine will walk you through step by step on what not only needs to be cleaned, but what you'll need to do in order to help it help you. All right, now for the coffee, I like to start my days pretty simple. I just do a little cappuccino with some almond milk and a couple pumps of vanilla syrup. Very easy, very simple. And I'm all good to go. Usually in the morning, I'm answering emails, editing either organic content or sponsored content, talking with my manager about different deals we have in the pipeline and what needs to be done to get them across the finish line, and just like busy back office work in general. Now, later in the day, my videographer will come over, and this is how we produce the content that you're seeing right now. And this is usually where I'll have my second cup of coffee, which then I'll do an iced coffee with, again, usually a little almond milk. And guess what? It'll froth the milk for you too. When I saw this, I was like, this is one of the most insane things that I've seen in a coffee machine. But as you can see, it does it for you. I am telling y'all, it is so insanely convenient to use this machine, and with somebody like myself with a very busy schedule, I really can't ask for a better coffee machine. From the 3.5-inch touchscreen display to the coffee drink recipes and the QuietGrind technology, I assure you that you will not need any other coffee machine in your kitchen. And that goes for whether you're a beginner when it comes to coffee making or you're a full-on professional barista, it doesn't matter. Just press the button and let the magic happen. To check out this machine, the link to the KitchenAid KF4 fully automatic espresso machine with iced coffee will be down below for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, most definitely leave a like for me down below, and comment below if you have this machine yourself, and let me know what is your favorite coffee drink to make with it, or just say what's up. Again, link for it is down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.